5 main things about the dark truth of asphalt shingle roofs. When it comes to roofing materials, asphalt shingles reign supreme as one of the most popular and affordable options. However, behind their seemingly harmless appearance lies a harsh reality. They are among the greatest environmental offenders in the roofing industry. From their production process to their disposal, asphalt shingles leave an indelible mark on our planet, making it crucial to understand the extent of their impact. In this episode, I bring to light the solution to 4 issues that can make a difference. Number 1. The manufacturing nightmare. The production of asphalt shingles is a resource-intensive process that contributes significantly to greenhouse gas emissions and environmental degradation. The primary raw materials used are petroleum-based asphalt and fiberglass or organic materials like wood or paper. The extraction and processing of these resources are energy-intensive and release harmful pollutants into the air, water, and soil. Furthermore, the manufacturing process itself requires high temperatures and releases volatile organic compounds, VOCs, and other toxic substances into the atmosphere. These emissions not only contribute to air pollution but also pose risks to human health and increase climate change. Number 2. The landfill crisis. The true environmental cost of asphalt shingles becomes evident when they reach the end of their lifespan, typically between 15 and 30 years. With millions of roofs requiring replacement each year, the volume of discarded asphalt shingles is staggering. Unfortunately, these shingles are notoriously difficult to recycle, and the vast majority end up in landfills. Once in landfills, asphalt shingles pose a significant threat to the environment. They are non-biodegradable and can leach toxic chemicals into the soil and groundwater, contaminating precious natural resources. Additionally, the shingles occupy valuable landfill space, contributing to the ever-growing problem of waste management. 3. Sustainable alternatives. As the environmental impact of asphalt shingles becomes more apparent, it is crucial to explore and embrace sustainable alternatives. Metal roofing, clay or concrete tiles, and even innovative materials like recycled plastic or rubber offer eco-friendly solutions with longer lifespans and lower environmental footprints. These alternative roofing materials often require less energy to produce, generate fewer emissions during manufacturing, and can be recycled or repurposed at the end of their lifespan. Furthermore, many of these options offer superior insulation properties, reducing energy consumption and associated greenhouse gas emissions. The choice of roofing material has far-reaching implications for our planet's future. While asphalt shingles may seem like a convenient and cost-effective option, their environmental toll is simply too high to ignore. By embracing sustainable alternatives and promoting responsible waste management practices, we can take a significant step towards building a greener and more sustainable future for generations to come. Number 4. The power of restoration. Extending roof life sustainably. While exploring sustainable roofing alternatives is crucial, the reality is that millions of homes and buildings are already clad with asphalt shingles. Rather than rushing to replace these roofs prematurely, a more eco-friendly and cost-effective solution lies in restoration through the application of specialized green coatings and encasement systems. These systems can turn an old, failing, polluting roof into a stronger, monolithic, and seamless roof that is now eco-friendly and actually better than new. Number 5. Revitalizing aging roofs. As asphalt shingles age, they become brittle, prone to cracking, and susceptible to water damage. Throughout their lifespan, they constantly break down and continually give off small toxic particles that are released into the air, water, and surrounding areas. Instead of complete roof replacement, which generates significant waste and consumes new resources, specialized coatings can be applied to revitalize and extend the life of existing shingles and instantly stop the release of toxic particles. These coatings not only seal and protect the shingles from further degradation but also reflect sunlight, reducing the building's energy consumption and associated carbon footprint. By prolonging the lifespan of existing roofs, businesses and homeowners can significantly reduce their environmental impact and save money on costly replacements. The green coating encasement solution for roofs nearing the end of their lifespan are exhibiting significant wear and tear. Encasement systems offer a sustainable and cost-effective renewable solution. These systems involve applying the right 20-year guaranteed renewable green coating over the existing shingles, which becomes a seamless membrane, effectively encasing them and creating a new durable roof surface. Unlike complete roof replacement, which generates tons of waste and consumes vast amounts of raw materials, encasement systems minimize waste and resource consumption. By utilizing the existing roof structure as a base, Green coatings and casement systems reduce the need for new materials, transportation, and labor, resulting in significant environmental and financial savings. Furthermore, green coating and casement systems are designed to be highly reflective, reducing the building's energy consumption and carbon footprint. These systems are easily renewable at the end of their service life cycle, further minimizing the environmental impact. To sum it up, embracing long-term sustainable roof restoration as the world becomes increasingly conscious of the need for sustainable practices, restoring, recycling, and revitalizing existing asphalt shingle roofs through green coatings and casement systems emerge as a powerful solution. By indefinitely extending the lifespan of existing roofs, minimizing waste, and reducing energy consumption, these restoration techniques offer a path toward a more eco-friendly and cost-effective approach to roofing. Businesses, homeowners, and communities can play a crucial role in driving this sustainable transformation by advocating for and investing in roof restoration solutions. By embracing these practices, we can collectively reduce our environmental footprint, save money, and pave the way for a greener future in the roofing industry and beyond. You may like this quote from Pam Shoemaker, author, professor, and gatekeeping theorist. When you put the whole picture together, recycling is the right thing to do. What are your questions about this episode? We are always here to help and excited to answer them. Thank you for listening, and see you on my next episode.